Good morning. Welcome back to another Designer's Den. I'm Ashley here with Doug, and this is our final video on mirrors in our mirror series.
Yeah, it's really been a fun series, talking about all the fun, different things you can do with mirrors. So I'm excited to show you all what we've got planned for you today.
And today we're in the bedroom. So we started in the entryway, we went to the living room, and now we're ending in the bedroom.
Yeah, and I think a lot of times we think of a traditional mirror over a dresser. And I think we've got some fun ideas to really show you how creative you can really get.
So let's start there with
Awesome.
the dresser.
Oh, fantastic. All right, what have we got here, Ashley?
So we have this pine dresser, and most of the dressers that we sell here at AFW come with the coordinating mirror that you can buy with it, but you don't have to because our mirrors are sold separately from the dresser. Yeah. And I really loved that we did not do that. We incorporated a really fun shape and textured mirror.
Yeah, it really adds to not only just to the dresser and what you're trying to do here, but the whole space, is really what it's doing. I like to look at a mirror like this because we have some fun, different, unique mirrors like this. It's almost like a piece of art that you're incorporating into your bedroom space. And I think it's unique and different, and you've got all this bling, and I love that.
Yes. Love the bling, and I like the lines of the mirror. I feel like the lines really tie in with the lines in the headboard, that tufting, and that really cool metal piece above the bed as well. So just that repetition of that line element.
Right. And I think with this particular mirror, we did it horizontally. You can just as easily do this vertically, I think.
Oh, yeah.
And do some interesting pieces on either side of it. So don't think you have to do it this way. I mean, the function of looking at yourself in the morning, hey, am I ready? It's also that decorative piece and what you want to do with your wall and your interior in the bedroom space.
That's a great idea. I could totally picture this mirror hung vertically and then just bring the second lamp of this to the other side and just do a nice symmetrical look.
Yeah, really cool look.
Yeah.
All right, shall we look at our second bedroom option?
Yep, there's 3 mirrors in this bedroom space.
Super.
So here we have a leaner mirror, and as we discussed in our previous mirror videos, we make some of our mirrors in-house.
And this is the Salerno silver that AFW makes in-house. So it's a tremendous value with this one. It's about 6 feet tall, nice and narrow, but it really adds a kind of interest and pop to this particular corner in the bedroom that we have here. But again, you have that mirror. If you have a smaller bedroom space, this is perfect because when you're trying to make those final touches in the morning, there it is, you can look at it, but you added this dimension and this really energy into the corner of your bedroom space.
I love that. Yeah. I love the different mixed height proportions, right?
Yeah.
So we have the linear, horizontal above the dresser, and we're mixing it up by going vertical.
Yeah.
On the opposite side of the room, which is going to be reflective of light.
Yeah, it's great. And you've used the silver. It's kind of a different finish on a silver because you have some darker lines within it, but it really blends so nicely with the antique black finish in the Laguna bedroom to go with this silver and really pull the pulls from your drawer pulls on your nightstands, on your dresser with this. It just really so nicely put together. I really like it.
So do I, especially with the rug. I feel like the rug brings everything together, like rugs are supposed to do, right?
Right. And you're tied in very nicely today with it too.
Right, it wasn't even planned.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I put on gray not knowing we would be in a primarily gray space.
Yeah, love it, love it, love it. All right. We're going to finish with the vanity.
Yeah. So I like how we're incorporating a vanity and we're using a desk piece to do that.
Yeah.
So this can function as a place where you put on your makeup, do your skincare routine, but also utilize it as an actual workspace.
Yeah, I like the round, the use of the round with the rectangular, and I also like with this particular bedroom grouping, you've got those rounded corners, and I think it mimics it really, really nicely. I love this collection of mirrors too, because when you have a longer wall, let's say you have a longer wall in your space, you can group these. You can do a fun dimensional wall piece with these.
And they're so simple, so it wouldn't be super distracting.
Right, yeah, it really wouldn't be. It's tied in very nicely with what you have going on here, but you have that function, you know. You can, if you need a mirror in the morning to kind of get ready and apply your makeup and do all those cool things, you can do everything you need, but at the same time, you've added, again, a look, a dimension, and kind of opened up the space. Yeah.
And I like how we incorporated a round stool.
Yeah.
A faux fur stool mimics the shape of the round mirror.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, so it really ties everything together.
Yeah, I love all this. This is a nice, fun space.
It is. And I do want to bring up this tray, which we sell.
Yeah.
And I know this is a mirror video, but I love the use of trays because it really combines things together, whether it be in an accessory moment or a functional moment where you have a spot to put like things together. Yeah. So perfume bottles and jewelry, and just, it's a good way to organize your stuff.
Yeah, and I don't know about everybody else, but I always need help organizing.
Yeah.
So that's a great way to do it. And it pulls it together. It's nice and concise and compact, but it looks great at the same time. It really is really, really nice.
Love it.
Awesome. Well, Ashley, it's been fun again.
Yes.
I've had a lot of fun doing this segment with you, so it's been great. You know, we're here every Thursday on our Designer's Den here at American Furniture Warehouse, and as always, everything you see here, you can see at afw.com, or we'd love to have you come into one of our stores.
We'll see you next week.
See you next week. Have a great day.